equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is turned off and unplugged from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by 2 screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the compartment using your clean cloth. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. Now, you will see the battery secured in place. There are usually 2 clips holding it down. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips away from the battery. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the surrounding components. With the clips released, you can now carefully pull the old battery out. Take note of how the battery is positioned, as you will need to insert the new one in the same orientation. If you're unsure about the battery type, refer to your user manual or check online for the correct specifications. Insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Once it's in place, press down on the clips until they click back into position, securing the battery firmly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. After the battery is secured, replace the panel by aligning it with the compartment and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the screws. Finally, give your Dyson SV10 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. Now, plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any concerns you may have. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Dyson SV10. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.